Hello viewers, welcome you all to our channel. First of all I would like to thank everyone for the continuous support you offer to our channel. So that keeps us motivated, and we will also ensure to make more videos in the future. Right. So what's there for today? In today's video we are going to see how to create this type of excellent visualization out of the data that we have, and these type of charts give a better feel than what you create out of the default charts. So let's go ahead and let's see how to create this type of charts. As usual, let us start from the scratch. So here I have a list of countries, and now I need the population of these countries. So the easiest way to get the population is convert them into data types. So first let me convert this into a table as usual. Now let me select this column and convert these countries into a data type. Let me go and pick geography. Yes, so I have picked geography. Now all this so here you will be able to see the icons getting added next to them, which means that they were added into them. I mean, they were all converted into data types. Now all I just need to do is dot population. Okay, so that applies the formula. I mean, since it's a table, the formula gets spilled to all the other rows as well. Now this is my data, and I will show you one efficient way to convert this data into a excellent visualization. So if you go to insert, in the add-in section you must be able to see this small icon. Just click on this icon. Once you click this, you must be able to see some data like this. Right, now let us click on this. Once you just click on this surface, you must be able to see this settings and then table. Now I need to select the data. Now let me rename the title of this chart first, population, and select your data. Let me select this columns. So it says you have selected 6 rows and 2 columns. Yes, right. Let me get this created. So that's my chart. One problem with this is you need to extend the chart to get a better visualization, which again indirectly implies a restriction that you may not be able to add too many data into this chart. I mean, you can't add too much data into this chart, which means that you can't use this chart for a large set of data. You can use this for a small set of data, and you can give very clear pictorial representation. So that it says here we have the count, and then it says actually India and China, they are having the top population. Then comes the United States and the United Kingdom, and Ireland is very minimal compared to all of them. Now if we want to make few modifications to this, for example, assume you want to change the way the data is plotted. So this is one way. It's actually we are changing type of the graph. Okay, this is other way where the country names font size is minimized, and then all the icons are shown as a maximum. So let's go for this, and I will show you theme as well. So if you look into the theme, you can select any one of this. Maybe you can select any one of this theme, and you can make this chart visually pleasing. So let me just stick with this. Right, so now we got an excellent picturization chart out of this add-in. Assume you don't have a population data. How can you still use this chart? Maybe so I will show you another example where we have currency. So here I have geographical locations and the profit turned over in each location. Now we have to create similar chart for this, and in this case it's not going to be the head count, whereas it's going to be the profit. That's the currency. Now let's go ahead and again insert the chart. So we got the chart. Now as usual, let us change the title profit. Let me just name it as profit, and let me select my data. Here you go. Right, this actually looks fine, but my problem is this is not the headcount report, but this is a currency data. Now how can we change this? Again, click on this settings. If you must be able to see something at the last, that's the shape, and just select this. Here you go. This is the currency. Either you can use this or you can even go for the diamonds, but let me just go for this, and let me even zoom the window as well for you. Right, now if you feel that the currency is looking small, then let us go ahead and change the type of the graph. Now in this type, actually the currency seems to be big, and but only thing is we have to compromise on the criteria font size. Right, but this gives a very nice representation of your data, which you may not be able to achieve even with the other types of chart. Right, and how to get this one deleted? So if you click on if you just scroll here and click at the top corner, you must be able to see this drop down. Here you have option to delete the chat, and you can use this to delete this chat. Right, so that's it for the today's video, guys. I hope you would have found this useful, and make use of this small add-in, that's the people graph, to convert your charts into an excellent visualization, like as it says. So thanks for joining us. Please subscribe to our channel.